VRX. I put on some big ass wheels. They're too big. It's just going to break things. So I'm going to take these off and put on some Traxxas monster truck wheels. I'll be back. Well, I'll see if they're close enough. Yeah, I can see them. I'll go get them and show you. Hi, Mac. So I'm going to set up some of these guys. That's the size of the wheel now. That's the size of the wheel it's going to go. Cool. So that'll be the wheels going on. Plus my... Well, the diff came apart because this trailing arm snapped. And my zippy tie finally failed. So the zippy tie lasted about 5 battery packs. But it's dead now. And because I didn't prepare anything for this video, I'll go get the trailing arms. Oh, where are the trailing arms? Over here. Got them! Trailing arms. So I got nice blue alloy ones.